Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today's video is about the introduction section for this density functional theory. On this density functional theory, I'm going to start one lecture series. So, those will be very short lectures. And in the first video, that is in today's video, I will just show you a little introduction about this density functional theory. At the atomic scale, the behavior of the matter is governed by this quantum mechanics. And however, solving the quantum equation exactly for a real material with many interacting electrons is practically impossible. But DFT is a phenomenally successful quantum mechanical approach that enables the practical solution of many electron Schrodinger equation by reformulating the problem in terms of the electron density. As we know that Schrodinger equation is the basic basic equation in the quantum mechanics, which we can write for a electron system, and also we can write it for a two electron system, but that is even very complex. But how to write that in for a many electron system is little bit difficult, and in that regard this density functional theory came forward. So as I said that this is just an introductory video for the same, and in the next subsequent videos we will see that what is this Schrodinger equation and how can we solve the same for the one electron, and what is the difficulty that will arise for many electron system, and also we will see that what is this electron density and how this DFT evolves. So today I will restrict myself to this much, and in the subsequent videos we will see all those chapters one by one, and I hope all of you will follow this. And thank you all, and bye bye.